Catherine, Princess of Wales, showed her natural rapport with members of the public as she happily beamed for a photo with a well-wisher who broke an unwritten rule of putting his arm around her during a visit to Scarborough on Thursday afternoon. Even though she was wearing high heels, the 40-year-old princess didn't mind stepping in the grass to greet some of the well-wishers who braved the freezing weather to see her and Prince William. The mother of three, who was dressed entirely in beige, was observed grinning widely and walking along the barricades, behind which others eagerly waited for a chance to speak with her, while balancing herself between the grass and the cement sidewalk. The royals seemed to be happy to chat and shake hands with locals after a visit to the street, a community hub hosting local organisations to allow them to grow and develop their services. In one sweet moment, the down-to-earth wife of Prince William was seen engaging with an excited well-wisher, who was eager for the pair to have a quick snap together. Happy to oblige, the princess put her arm around him before smiling for the camera. During the visit, the Princess of Wales was also happy to pose for selfies with other royal fans who lined the streets, including an adorable toddler who was seen wearing a pink Minnie Mouse coat. Catherine dressed down for the colder weather with a long structured coat over a knitted midi dress, along with a tan handbag and corresponding beige heels. Along with her, Prince William was dressed in a navy blue suit, burgundy jumper and, of course, a poppy to commemorate Remembrance Day. The couple appeared pleased to be meeting some of the organisations that will benefit from a financing campaign launched by the Prince and Princess of Wales' Royal Foundation and the Two Ridings Community Foundation. This is to address concerns such as rural suicide, poverty, and the well-being of children. William and Catherine visited the street first. The Prince and Princess met with a group of young people who are advocates for local mental health organisations and will help select how the extra funding is allocated. The royal couple have been vocal for many years about the need to reduce the stigma that surrounds mental health issues. In 2016, they began a campaign called Heads Together, with the goal of making mental health a topic of everyday conversation. In 2019, Heads Up was officially introduced by Prince William in conjunction with the Premier League. The goal of this effort was to open up a dialogue on mental health issues amongst males. William and Catherine both debuted Shout in the same year, a free, around-the-clock texting hotline for those in need of intimate emotional support. The day in Scarborough showed how ardently Catherine and William supported organisations that promote children's mental health, which is a key component of the Wales's royal work. But according to a source, this visit and the made public funds indicate a different approach to the Prince and Princess's engagements. The insider revealed in an interview with Sky News that the couple wants to leave a longer-lasting impression on the communities they travel to in order to track the progress made in assisting some of the most needy members of society. Speaking before the royals' arrival in Scarborough, the source said, "The cost of living crisis is a lens through which they are now looking at their work." While both Catherine and William are understood to be aware of their privileged position, they won't shy away from the issue of the rising cost of living. Moreover, the source added, the couple are keen to support the hard-pressed in parts of the country that need a light shone on them. The Prince and Princess of Wales have spent the last 10 years working together on a variety of issues, including eradicating the stigma associated with mental illness and assisting the NHS, with a focus on frontline personnel during the epidemic. As a supporter of the early years and their significance in children's development, Catherine has also gained notoriety. William, however, inherited his mother Princess Diana's ambition to put an end to homelessness. He reaffirmed his long-standing commitment to draw attention to this solvable solution on his 40th birthday in June.